Simply put, too many outstanding matters which the judge felt should be settled before he passes sentence on Gerace, who has been jailed for more than 3 years after he was additionally charged with witness tampering. One of those outstanding issues involves the former Pharoah's, which now has a new name and new operators. The government has moved to seize the building on Arrow Drive under criminal forfeiture laws, but Gerace's lawyers contend they can't because their client never owned the building and have produced documents to indicate the property was actually owned by a company owned by Gerace's mother, Linda, and has been since 2009. Gerace also recently filed another motion for a new trial, contending that because his original lawyer, Steve Cohen, has been labeled by the government as an unindicted co-conspirator in the separate witness tampering case, it affected his right to effective counsel in this case, something the government says is preposterous and shouldn't even be considered. He also filed objections to the probation department's pre-sentencing report, which weighs on how severe his sentence might be under federal sentencing guidelines, specifically how it calculated the amount of drugs he was responsible for trafficking, which is something the judge has also questioned. There are also attempts being made by his lawyers to seal certain documents as part of the case from public view. So you put that all together, and it means that instead of finally being sentenced on Friday, the court will use that day to hear arguments on these and any other issues that may arise, with no set date for when the sentencing will eventually occur. Meanwhile, Gerace is due to go on trial in June in a case where he's accused of conspiring to kill a witness against him. He continues to maintain his innocence. On your side in the newsroom, Dave McKinley, Channel 2 News.